Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can find out that EPP authorization code for your particular domain. Now that code is required whenever you are trying to transfer your domain name from one domain registrar to another registrar. Now this is an authorization code sometimes required to validate your domain also. Even if you are not transferring your domain from one domain registrar to another domain registrar, sometimes it is required to add your domain to your hosting company as well. So for example, let's say your particular domain is with a hosting company for a few years, then you move to another hosting company, then again you are coming back to the first hosting company. In that case, when you try to add that particular domain into that hosting plan as an add-on domain, they will ask for a verification. They will ask you that already that domain, there is a trace of that domain in their database. So you have to verify that you are the owner of that particular domain. Now for that, what you can do, so that is what exactly I am going to show you. Now recently I have transferred few of my domains to Bluehost Choice Plus hosting plan. I have created a detailed video on that, like how we can create a blog. In fact, we have just installed WordPress on it, so there is no much content on this. At the time of recording this video, you can see that. So there is a coming soon website, it looks like. So we need to do a lot of things in this blog. So, but while transferring this domain, we face this problem, so we thought to create a video on this. So what you can do, you can simply click this manage option, click on manage. It will open that page. Just scroll down to the last. So there is something called domain log. Now click the edit button, domain log off, click on this, request update is in progress, fine, let it progress. Now next, generally you will find this, it will on immediately, so maybe I am doing it twice, so that's the reason it is showing this. Anyway, now click on the transfer GoDaddy. Okay, so in the screen you can see there are a couple of checklists, so we do not have to worry about anything because we are not actually transferring the domain, or even if you are transferring the domain, you just don't have to worry about this because our intention is to get the EPP code. Okay, so just click on continue with the transfer. Now this is the screen where you will find the authorization code. Now as soon as you will click this button, click here to see the authorization code. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button and also share this video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then feel free to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.